Welcome to tutorial. Today I will guide you how to get domain email. So here you can see admin at loudupdates.com and info at the rate loudupdates.com and help at the rate loudupdates.com. So today I will guide you how to get free of cost at the rate domain email address, because many hosting provider give you free or paid at the rate domain, and G Suite Google product give you a paid domain email, but I will guide you how to get free of cost your domain. It's not matter where is your website, like your website is on Blogger. If your website is Blogger, it's not matter. So I will guide you how to get. If your website is on WordPress, you can get a domain email without file manager. If your domain is on Google domain, so you can get easily. So if you purchase your domain from Google domain, Namecheap, products, any other domain service provider, so if not matter where you would purchase your domain, like Google domains, if you purchase your domain from Google domains, or if you purchase your domain from Namecheap, if your domain is on Namecheap, so it's not matter where is your domain. If your domain is on GoDaddy, so my domain is on on GoDaddy. My domain loudupdate.com is on GoDaddy. So you just need a DNS settings. So my domain is on GoDaddy, but I am managing my domain through Cloudflare, and my DNS is on Cloudflare. I am managing my domain DNS on Cloudflare. So here you can see I am going my GoDaddy domain section and domain DNS section. So here you can see my DNS. I am managing my DNS from Cloudflare. So where you from where you managing your DNS sub, just go to your domain DNS managing settings. So here I am going to now tutorial is start. Now here you can see I am managing my DNS on Cloudflare. Now the next step is open zoho.com. Zoho, now search for Zoho. With the help of Zoho, we manage our at the rate loud updates our domain email. So now open Zoho email. So once Zoho email open, then open and then click on free sign up. Now click on create your account. Now I am going to create my account with Google account. If you have other way, you can create your account with another way. I am using my Gmail account to create my Zoho account. So now once Zoho now next step is select your country and click on I agree terms and services and privacy policy. Now click on continue. Now next screen is open. Now click on mail button. Now Zoho give you many services. Now our target is mail. Now click on mail. Now a new pop-up screen is open, and now Zoho asks you add a mobile number. Now click on add your mobile number. Now Zoho automatically detect your country code. Now you need to enter your mobile number to verify your mobile number. Now verification code is received in just a few seconds. Now click enter verification code. Now congratulations, your phone number is verified. Now our Zoho account is created successfully, and our next step is create our domain email. Now here you can see create a domain based on email account in Zoho, username at your domain.com, or create email account as username at zohomail.com. How you want to create your email? So if you have domain, now click on create a domain based email. Now click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, and it's so now enter your domain here. without HTTPS. If you don't have a domain, now click on buy a new domain. I have a domain, now sync up with a domain I'll already own. Now click on loudupdates.com and click on add button. So, and once you add your domain, and next screen is open, you need to verify your domain. Zoho need to verify domain. You are a owner of this domain, and now choose your services where from you buy a domain, like GoDaddy, ine.com, EuroDNM, WordPress, cPanel, Bluehost, Network Solution, Name.com, Register.com. So if you not see any of your domain provider, now click on other. Now click on other. If you not see your domain provider, no, my domain provider is GoDaddy, but I am managing my DNS from Cloudflare. I am not see any my Cloudflare services or Cloudflare services on Zoho Mail, so I am choosing other option. Now click on this Zoho email, and now click on add record. Now go to DNS section. Now click on, we need to name host ALAX TXT. We need to add a TXT record. Please watch, don't skip my video. Now click on TXT user at the rate for root. We need to enter at the rate, and now in the value content, value mean content, and now paste it here. Now click on save button. So we added Loud Updates as a record with. So now click on save button, and now go to Zoho. Now go to Zoho, and now click to verify by TXT. Now we verified it. Now enter congratulations, your domain loudupdate.com is verified. Now enter a name. For example, you want admin@loudupdate.com, info@, so like this, admin@loudupdate.com, info@ help at how you want to give your username. So I want to add admin@loudupdates.com. Once you select your username, and now click on create account. Make sure you remember your email. So first think about this, which email you want to create. Now click on next button. So if you want to add more user, like admin info@loudupdate.com, help@loud, so you can proceed like this, info help@. If you want more email, then click on proceed to add user, but I don't want to add more user. I am alone. Now I am click on skip. So also Zoho recommended you HR@loudupdate, so we don't need this email. Now we clicking on skip. Now and next step is you need to add this MX record in your DNS section. Now you need to add this MX record. So now click now copy this address, mzzoho.com. we need to copy this. Just copy this record. Now copy, and now go to your DNS section where you hosting your DNS record. Now click on add record. We need to MX record. Here you can see MX record Zoho R. So click on MX, go to MX section, MX, and and now here, and priority is 10. Now click on 10 and save it, and next Zoho to M2X to Zoho, and priority is 20. MX again. Now again add MX record @ and paste it here, mx2.zoho.com, and priority is 20. Here you can see priority is 20, and now click on again number 3rd, copy, and MX record, again MX record @ and paste mail server, and now priority is 50. Now click on save button. Now once you click on save button, and now go to Zoho domain setup. We set up all the record. Now click on next button. So we added all, but all. Now click on next. Now click on next, and now you need to add this last one, txt. Now add a txt value blank or at the rate or loud update. Now copy the value and add a txt record, add a record, and now search for txt. So method is work same like GoDaddy, Namecheap, domain provider, Google domain, where you want. Just go to DNS section and save the customize your DNS like this and verify your domain with Zoho. Now we add a value. Now click on save button. Once you click on save button, now once we add all the DNS and MX record, and now go to proceed to configure DKMI. Now proceed to configure DKMI. Now click on here, proceed. So here you can see a pencil icon. Now click on edit, button, and add a selector. Now click on add a selector and add select name Zoho, and now click on save button. So and other thing, now copy this, and now we also need to add this value, add a record, and search for the name and paste it here. Now here you can see txt host name. Copy this and paste it here in the value section. Now copy the value section, make sure you not miss any word. Copy all the value, paste it here, and now click on save button. So we configure our custom domain, custom email address. Now click on verified. Now we all done. Now click on back setup. Now click on back to setup. Now go to back. Now we are set up our email on Zoho. So now here you can see email migration, proceed. Now click on skip. So we are not migration. Now click on skip. So if you want to Zoho mail admin app on iOS, Android, now download iOS and Android app on your mobile phone. Start receiving email on your mobile phone. Now search for Zoho email on your mobile Play Store app. So now click on next button, skip button. Now go to workplace, Zoho workplace. So yes, no, we don't need Tor. Now click on skip. Now go to mail section. Here you can see welcome Zoho.me access from anywhere anytime. Now here you can see Zoho send us a dummy email, welcome email. Now click on, we are now testing our at the admin@loudupdate.com email. Now here we are testing our, now I am going to my Gmail account, gmail.com. So I am going to my Gmail and I am sending an email from my Gmail to my custom domain email. So let's check our email is working or not, or how much it take a time. So here you can see Zoho send us some email. Now click on compose. Now click on send a new email. Now we are writing here admin@loudupdates.com. Here you can see we are sending email to admin@loudupdates.com and testing 1 2 3 and type a message and testing 1 2 3 4. Now click on send button. Now here you can see now sending, and now message sent successfully. Now here you can see refresh this screen. Now refresh this screen. We are going to check how much it's take time. So mail. Now go to mail section. Now here you can see we receive a email, our custom email. Now we send a email here you can see we send a 12 p.m. 41 minute. On 12 p.m. on 41 minute, here you can see we receive a email on 12 p.m. on 41 minute, and now send email to admin@loudupdate.com. Here you can see my domain is working. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you're not facing any problem, you doing any mistake in configuration, so watch a complete video. If you want to do more setting in your Zoho mail, so you can do more setting. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you facing any problem, so let me know. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Goodbye. So don't create email if you have a cPanel. So don't create your email like this. If this video is for if you don't have a cPanel, then this video is for you, because cPanel give you a custom email. So don't create your email like this if you have a cPanel, because many hosting provider give you many custom domain email. So don't create if you don't have, then create like this. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Leave a comment and like. Goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. And also download Zoho email application in your phone for better email receiving. Goodbye.